If the washer in your washer-dryer combo fills slowly or not at all, here are the 5 most probable causes. When the control or timer is set to a wash cycle, voltage is sent to the water inlet valve, which opens, allowing water to fill the tub. If any of the solenoid coils inside the inlet valve have failed, the tub may not fill or may fill too slowly. You can use a multimeter to test the solenoid coils for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in each coil. If any of the coils test negative for continuity, then the inlet valve will need to be replaced. The pressure switch has a tube that connects to the side of the tub. As the tub fills with water, air pressure increases in the tube. When a sufficient amount of water has filled the tub, the pressure in the tube causes the pressure switch to shut off the voltage to the inlet valve, closing it and stopping the water flow. If the pressure switch is malfunctioning, the tub may only fill part way or not at all. Again, you can use a multimeter to determine if the pressure switch has continuity. If not, the switch will need to be replaced. Your home's water pressure may be too low for the water inlet valve to operate properly. If the water pressure is below 20 pounds per square inch, the tub may fill too slowly or not at all. To help identify this problem, shut off the water supply, disconnect the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve, and hold them over a bucket or a wash tub. Now turn the water supply back on and observe whether or not there is a strong flow of water jetting out of the lines. A weak flow indicates low water pressure, which could be caused by a problem with the water supply lines or valves. On some models, a faulty timer may be responsible for the washer not filling, although this is not a common problem. You should confirm the other potentially defective components are working properly before replacing the timer. If your washer has a control board instead of a timer, the failure of the board could prevent the tub from filling. While the control board cannot be easily tested, you can inspect it for signs of burning or a shorted-out component. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your washer-dryer combo.